Welcome to the final mini lesson in this module, mini lesson number 5, which will focus on other kinds of resources to help build social emotional learning. In order to enhance social emotional learning, other aspects help to center students or team players in sports for optimal learning. Mindfulness reflections and brain-based breaks both serve to refocus energy and bring people back to a sense of being fully present in their learning and in their interactions with their classroom or team communities. Here are 2 practical websites with video resources to help students to focus on mindful behaviors or to take a much-needed brain break and activity break from their learning tasks to refresh themselves for the next challenges. These links are provided below the mini lesson. The final link that you'll see below this mini lesson is for a practical resource to support the moral and character development of students on teams or in classrooms. The website is called the Virtues Project. This site is full of resources to help educators and parents to support the development of positive character traits in their children. One particularly helpful strategy from this Virtues Project is to use virtues language in speaking with children and youth. Virtues language is constructed in 3 parts. First, you start with a STEM statement like, "Thank you for showing blank," or if the students are misbehaving, you could use the STEM, "Please show blank." The second part of the language names a specific value, or virtue. So you put that together with the STEM and it would sound like, "Thank you for showing kindness," or "Please show peacefulness." The third portion of the virtues language statements is the most important. This is the portion in which you name specific actions that will help the students to learn what the virtue looks like and sounds like. Putting all 3 portions together, you could say, "Thank you for showing kindness as you got the extra book for your partner." Or, "Please show peacefulness as you all move to line and lunchtime with quiet and calm walking." Once the teacher gets used to using language in this way, the students begin to learn how to be more virtuous, and they even begin to use the language with one another. I knew that I'd been successful in converting to this new way of speaking when I found myself thanking my dogs for their patience as they waited for me to feed them one morning. The last 2 lines below this module show the link to the Virtues Project in those resources below the mini lesson. One is the website for the handout that the teachers could use to virtually phrase things for students in their classrooms. So the first link is resources from the Virtues Project. The last link is this alternative way to phrase things as the teacher. On the left is the traditional way to say something to or ask students to do something. In the right column are the replacement statements that apply the virtues language. I hope that you found this module with our 5 mini lessons useful in thinking about some proactive ways that we can address some of the issues that we face in today's schools and in educating today's students. When you feel ready, return to the Canvas site and click open the box, the last box in session 8, to complete your reflection on the box labeled Assignment Reflection on Module Activities. When you are clicked into the assignment, hit the Submit Assignment box in the right upper corner. A text box will open for you to type or attach your answers to the 3 prompt questions for this week. When you are ready, click Submit Assignment at the bottom of your notes, and they will be turned in for grading. Enjoy your week.